word that was translated Nephilim is this Hebrew word, Nephil, a plural word. It came from this singular word, Nephil. Nephil, singular, means the fallen. Therefore, Nephilim means the fallen ones. If you actually want to translate the word Nephilim into Greek, you will have called it Peptokotis. The Septuagint actually translate that word into Gigantes. And this is why some of the other Bible, like Message, like even Amplified Classic, also translate it as giants. And the question is, why did the Septuagint actually use the word giant in that part of the scripture? There must be a reason. And does that help us in our understanding of this verse? Now, there are different Hebrew words that were translated into gigantes in the Septuagint: Giborim, Anakim, Raphaim, Emim, and Zamzumim. In Genesis chapter 6 verse 4, you have two Hebrew words that were translated into the word giants. In both Genesis chapter 6 verse 4 and Numbers chapter 13 verse 33, this is the sense we get that the Nephilim were bad jobs, symbols of everything that is against God and his kingdom. When you take all this together, you will see that the word giants here carries the sense of people who are great, and it's not always in the negative sense. That's why they are gigantes. These people, they are people of greatness, whether great knowledge, piety, courage, which is positive, or great people that do evil or wickedness. It depends on the context, and it would seem that the authors of the Septuagint wish to employ a term that would be intelligible and meaningful to their Greek audiences. The Nephilim then are giants. First, they are giants in the sense of the fact that they are earth-born men with unparalleled great evil, wickedness, and violence. They will undoubtedly have been men of great height. I would guess that if there were Nephilim men, there will also have been Nephilim women. And also, it is possible that this angel that took on human body will have in their vanity taken the best of bodies, beauty, strength, height, when they appear as men to marry women. And it is equally plausible that these vain angels will have been attracted to the Nephilim women.